Welcome to the channel. Here we master tricky words and their meanings. Today we're tackling a word often used in music and storytelling, crescendo. It might seem a bit tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is crescendo. Let's break it down. First we have cru, which sounds like crew but with a softer sound. Next is shen, which rhymes with hen. Finally we have do, which sounds like dough, as in bread dough. Now, let's put it all together. Crescendo. Try repeating after me. Crescendo. Now a little faster. Crescendo. And at full speed. Crescendo. Keep practicing, and soon, this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Crescendo is a musical term that means a gradual increase in loudness. It can also be used figuratively to describe something building up in intensity, like excitement in a story or tension in a movie, and that's it. Now you know how to pronounce crescendo and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.